Happy birthday to my father, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. Thank you so much for being a father to the world, to the nations, to everyone. Thank you for teaching us how to serve and how to honor people, because you are an honorable man indeed, and in so many ways. We've seen you doing things that we thought they cannot be done. Remember the first time I came, it was in 2012, and I thought I'm going to see this big man who's pastoring this big church. And I saw you, my father, and the way you taught that day. Thank you for teaching us. And the grace that is upon you, I pray that the Lord may keep you in that grace, and it will be more and more and more. And sometimes we listen to you and we are in awe of what you teach us. I am very proud to be your daughter, and I pray that I make you proud to have a daughter like me. I'm trying to say to you, my father, I love you so much for being my father. I love you so much for being a father to all of us and to the nations. Happy birthday, our Father. Happy birthday to the man who prays for us, who guides us, who teaches us. Happy birthday to the man who can go back and go into the future just for us. Happy birthday to a man who will not sleep thinking about us. I love you, my father. Happy birthday.